Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can animate stickers on CapCut PC. So go to stickers and choose any of the stickers you'd like. I'm just going to add this one. Oh, maybe not. I'm just going to try to find one that doesn't move that much so you guys can see. I guess most of them move. So okay, maybe not this one. There we go. Just gonna add it to the track. And here, as you can see, there's these animations. If you're not there, you're just going to go to animation. And there are some animations you can choose from. You can also adjust the speed here. I want it to be a little bit longer, like so. And you can just do that to all of your stickers if you want. Like so. And that is pretty much how you can animate stickers on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!